Hi, today I would like to show you how you can download and customize live wallpapers on CUBOT P40. Firstly, go into Play Store. Then type cool wallpapers and choose this app from this developer. Then download it. Now open it and wait. Click Next and pick one of the options. Tap Close and set Wallpaper. Over here you can pick one of the available ones and tap Unlock. We'll go with, this one's scary. Okay, so this one, tap Unlock, close and add, and choose Apply. Over here you can add overlay effect, for example stars, flowers, or shooting stars. You can also tap on the locked one and to add a knot in order to unlock it. You can also add touch effect and when you're done, click Apply. Choose Set Wallpaper and pick one of the options. Now when you tap Home button, you can see that your wallpaper was applied successfully. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!